How to make gradient background in Canva. Hey there, welcome to webunraveled. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make gradient background with Canva. So I will walk you through step by step, so make sure to watch till the end. So as you can see, I have opened a Canva project. Now to make a gradient background, first click on the background, and then on the top here you will see background color. Just click on that. Now scroll down, and on the bottom here you will see gradient option. Just select any of gradient option. Now go to the top and then click on plus icon. Now you can add more gradient color, or you can change this gradient color. Just click on the color and then you can change, or you can add extra more color, and you can change the gradient style also. Just click on the linear gradient or radial gradient, and this is one way you can add gradient color. And now I am gonna show you another way how you can add gradient color. So go to the elements and then here search for gradient, click on graphics, and from here you can choose any of gradient graphics. On the top here you will see gradient color. Just click on that color and then you can choose any of color. And this is another way, and that's how you can make gradient background in Canva. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.